The colonization of Venus has been a subject of many works of science fiction since before the dawn of spaceflight. Colonization of space is claimed to be the best way to ensure the survival of humans as a species. Venus is the second largest terrestrial planet and Earth's closest neighbor, which makes it a potential target. Venus has certain similarities to Earth. These similarities, and its proximity, have led Venus to be called Earth's sister planet. At present, it has not been established whether the gravity of Mars, 0.38 times that of the Earth, would be sufficient to avoid bone decalcification. Venus's relative proximity makes transportation and communications easier than for most other locations in the solar system. With current propulsion systems, Venus's atmosphere is made mostly out of carbon dioxide, which, after filtering from sulfuric acid, can be used to grow food. Because nitrogen and oxygen are lighter than the carbon dioxide that makes the atmosphere, breathable air-filled balloons will float at a height of about 50 kilometers, 31 miles. Additionally, the upper atmosphere could provide comparable protection from harmful solar radiation to the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere of Mars, as well as the Moon, provide little such protection. Venus also presents several significant challenges to human colonization. Surface sea, higher than the melting point of lead, which is 327 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure on the surface is also at least 90 times greater than on Earth, which is equivalent to the pressure experienced under a kilometer of water. In addition, visible clouds are composed of corrosive sulfuric acid and sulfur dioxide vapor. At the top of the clouds, the wind speed on Venus reaches up to 95 meters per second, circling the planet approximately every 4 Earth days in the phenomenon known as superrotation. Colonies floating in this region could, therefore, have a much shorter day length by remaining untethered to the ground and moving with the atmosphere, compared to the usual 243 Earth days it takes for the planet to rotate. Allowing a colony to move freely would also reduce structural stress from the wind. Because there is not a significant pressure difference between the inside and the outside of the breathable air balloon, any rips or tears would cause gases to diffuse at normal atmospheric mixing rates rather than an explosive decompression, giving time to repair any such damages. In addition, humans would not require pressurized suits when outside, merely air to breathe, protection from the acidic rain, and on some occasions low-level protection against heat. Hydrogen, water and metals would be hard to retrieve from the surface and expensive to bring from Earth. Asteroids, although water can be extracted from the sulfuric acid in the clouds. As an alternative to floating cities, it has been proposed a large artificial mountain, dubbed the Venusian Tower of Babel, could be built on the surface of Venus that would reach up to 50 kilometers, 31 miles, into the atmosphere, where the temperature and pressure conditions are similar to Earth. After that, Venus is terraformed by us. To know how the Venus will be terraformed, watch this video or link in the description. Anyway, after all those stuff, we will be able to make base upon Venus. That's it for today, guys. If you're still watching this video, please comment.
I'll be your inspiration.